show you and talk to you about Bad Motor Scooter by Montrose. It's a timing issue when we get into the middle break just before the solo. If you go to 1 minute and 50 seconds in the song, I'm going to count two measures as and counting to 8. So one measure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. But I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's going to do that like 6 times, 6 counts of 8. And when you get, I think, on the 6th one, you're going to hear that break. The drums retard, but if you continue to count that timing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to hear on the 1, 2, which is the G to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 5, 6 is going from the F to the G. 7, 8, and then right into the solo. And the drums are going to hear that kind of a retard. And I'm gonna count it as I'm playing the song, and then I'll grab the guitar and I'll show you what I mean on that. So it's a timing song. Count it out. Learn to count it. Learn to break it down, because that's all it is. Anything to do with music is 100% counting. It's timing, and whether it's 4/4, 6/8 time, whatever it is, it's that simple. Music seems harder than it is, but once you understand the counting, measures out, learning breaks, and this is really the first degree of how to figure out a part, is I'm going to count it out, because I want to know what it is on the counting, and doing so, then we'll be able to play it. Okay, so starting at 1 minute and 50 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's how you do it. Back it up, go over it several times. You can do that here on this on YouTube, on the video. Back it up, find that point where I start counting it, and just go back over it just to get an understanding of it. Okay, and once you do that, then you start. First of all, you're going to learn the counting of it. Okay, then you're going to start to listen to the guitar part. As it's being played, you're going to then break it down and listen. As you're still counting, you're going to listen for that drums. So first of all, you got to get your brain to understand to count it out, listen to the guitar part, listen to the drums, what the drums is doing on that. And once you do that, you get it all up in the timing, then you start to understand. Then pick up guitar and work on that. Okay? Okay, one thing I like to do when I count is you count out measures. By going, let's say I'm going to count, well, in this particular situation, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2. So I'm counting the first beat of the each measure is, because I'm in the third measure, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. That means it's a fifth time. It's not fifth measure because I'm counting 2 measures at a time. That'd be 1 progression of 8, 2 progressions of 8, 3, 4, 5 progressions of 8, 6 progressions of 8, okay, which is, if it's 6 progressions of 8, it's 12 measures, okay, and then does the break in that 6 progressions of 8. So I'm going to play the songs, again, starting at the 150, I'm going to count it, and hopefully get it on the first take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Alright, so there it is. Now something I want to show you that once it gets into the comes out of that 6 measure or 6 progression, the G to F. Well, that's getting in the video, and it goes to the D. Been a power chord D. Okay. Also throwing that A in there for gives that lower end a nice meaty sound. Hitting the D and then going down to the C, back up to the D, and then up to F, At the same time, I'm keeping that lower note. All it is just an octave to that power chord, okay? So it's D, C, C, D. Okay, got a nice sound to it. Break this down when I get into the sixth measure, or sixth progression of that. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then. Okay, again, so the 6 progressions of 8 is 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's counting it slow. So 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it happens real quick. And when you're counting it, it's kind of difficult to figure that out, to really get it, but it can be done. Believe me, it can be done. So I'm going to go back to the 150 and play this again, counting it out. Three, four, five, six, seven, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.